This is Big Tone coming at you from Big Tone Productions, Beats and Feast. Hey guys, it's Friday and you know what time that is. It's time for another cooking video. Today we're going to do something I've never ever tried before. We're going to do deep fried baby back ribs. And I hear it's a real staple in the South. I've just never had it. But we're going to try it anyway. So if you like the video, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications. Make sure you share the video, guys. Let's get started with some deep fried baby back ribs. So I'm going to start with my supporting cast. Of course, I got my nice slab of baby back ribs here. I haven't taken the membrane off. I thought I'd leave that and show it to you guys, although I've done it in my other videos. But I'm going to be putting a little bit of pink Himalayan sea salt on this, some black pepper, my Slap Your Mama seasoning. I love this stuff. I am going to put a little bit more seasoning salt on it, even though this has got what I need in it. But I'm put a little bit more. And then I'm going to be frying this with this this Wonder flour. This is a light, it's like a quick acting flour. So it's a little lighter than normal flour. And I think it's going to fry up great. So we're going to see. But that's all the ingredients. I'm going to treat these as if they're basically a pork chop, because that's really all it is. I got my my baby backs here, and you got to get your hands a little dirty. So we're going to take this membrane off, which is this membrane that is attached to the back of it. I kind of got a head start on you guys, but it's real simple. If you just get a knife in there, I usually put it down on the bone like this, and it'll come up for me. Sometimes you'll get it in one big swoop. Sometimes you have to do it in pieces. But we're going to try to do this here. This one's going to come off in two pieces, it looks like. So there's one of them. And then this one over here. Now this is a perfect example. So I'm going to try to get a little bit more of this so I can take it off in two swoops here. Get my knife under there. There we go. And just going to pull it up. Now if it gets to be real slippery, which is going to be, just grab yourself a paper towel. Grab onto it. And just pull it back, just like that. So it looks like I'm getting this one in pieces, guys. So there's just a little bit left here, and I'm going to pull this off. There we go. Came off like a pro. So now your seasoning can get all the way down into the rib and penetrate. Grab my knife here, and we're just going to cut these. Just like this. And we're just going to make them individual. We're just going to cut right down the rib. Just like this. So there we have our nice rib. And I'm going to keep cutting them. And then we're just going to season them up. So I'll be back in a second once I get these cut up. You see I got my ribs all cut up there. And first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to sprinkle these bad boys with some pink Himalayan sea salt. Get them nice and good in here. And of course my black pepper. And then we're going to throw on my lye seasoning. And then my Slap Your Mama. If you guys haven't had Slap Your Mama, I've used it in a couple different recipes. But this stuff is wonderful. I found it finally at a store here. Mostly I see it down south, but I did find it here. So with this, I got it all seasoned up. We're going to basically just put the lid on this. I'm going to use the shake and bake method. And I'm just going to shake it up. Try to get the seasonings all around there. And I'm going to add just a little bit more seasoning salt to this. And a tad bit more Slap Your Mama. There we go. So I'm treating this exactly like I would treat some pork chops. That's basically what we're doing. We're frying some pork chops, but they just happen to be spare ribs. So I'm going to shake this up again. There we go. Get the seasonings all in there nice. Now we're gonna coat them with my, I don't even know how to pronounce this stuff. I just found it's really good. This Wonder, I guess that's how you pronounce it. But it's really a light flour. A lot lighter than regular flour. So I'm just gonna coat this real good. And we're gonna use the shake and bake method again. Let me shake this up. Make sure you guys put the lid on tight if you use the shake and bake method. Alright. And I'm gonna add a little bit more of the flour. There we go. And we're just gonna shake them up again. And there you go. Seasoned floured ribs. So we're gonna wait for my grease to get hot here over on the stove. And we're just gonna plop them in there. It's gonna run about 350, 400 degrees. Pop them in for about 13 minutes apiece. Should be on point. I think my oil is good and hot. I'm gonna turn it down just a little bit. And I'm gonna put about, I don't know, we'll see. I don't wanna overcrowd this. Put about 5 in there at a time, and we're gonna drop them. Woo, there we go. There we go. Frying them up. I might have to turn this down. It might be a little high. But we'll see here in a minute. Frying them up, baby. Frying them up. I'm gonna pull these up, guys, so you can get a good look at them. Look at that. Look at that. I'm gonna drop them back down in there. I'll show you the ones that are done. There you go. Golden brown. All right, BFM, so there you go. Look at how golden, beautiful brown they are. Hey, another perfection on the plate. Drizzled a little bit of my favorite barbecue sauce over top. A little bit better presentation. Absolutely wonderful, guys. Deep fried baby back ribs. I've never had them before, but I bet you I'm gonna have them again. These things are absolutely wonderful. I'm gonna take a bite. I sprinkled it with a little bit of my favorite barbecue sauce, or one of them anyway. Oh my God. Hey guys. If you've never tried it, you need to try it. You absolutely need to try it. It's almost just like a pork chop lollipop. Hey guys, I don't know what else to say, but if you like the video, like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and share the video, guys. Share it to everybody you know. Hey, this is Big Tone signing off. Peace.